Good morning, children. Yesterday, from lesson 2, that is energy from the sun, we completed about how to draw the graphs of average, maximum and minimum monthly temperature lines of Hyderabad. Yesterday we completed. And next side heading, see here, look at the number line and how plus and minus numbers are marked. This is the number line or temperature line. This is 0. If you go from 0 towards your right hand side, the temperatures are increased. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, the temperatures are increased. Here at 100 degrees, the water will start boiling, and this is 0. If you go from 0 towards your left hand side, the temperatures are decreased. See here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, like that the temperatures are decreased here. And this is -273.16 degrees Celsius. This is the lowest minimum temperature. The temperature cannot go below this. Which is the lowest minimum temperature? -273.16 degrees Celsius is the lowest minimum temperature. And here they asked one question. What is that? Arrange the following temperatures from the lowest to highest. See here, 12 degrees Celsius and -16 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius and 0 degrees Celsius and -4 degrees Celsius. Now we need to arrange temperatures from the lowest to highest. Which is the lowest temperature here? -16 degrees Celsius. -16 degrees. And after -4 degrees Celsius. After 0 degrees Celsius. After 12 degrees Celsius. And after 29 degrees Celsius. Same like that. Arrange the following temperatures from the highest to lowest. What is the highest to lowest? How we can arrange? 29 degrees Celsius, opposite direction. 29 degrees Celsius and 12 degrees Celsius and 0 degrees Celsius and -4 degrees Celsius and -16 degrees Celsius. Like that, we can arrange temperatures from the highest to lowest and lowest to highest. Next side heading. Look at the following table. It shows sunrise and sunset in different cities in India on 10th January. See here they gave one box, and here they gave some of the cities, names of the cities. What is that? Hyderabad, it is located in Andhra Pradesh, and Agra, it is located in Uttar Pradesh, and Madurai, it is located in Tamil Nadu, and Nagpur in Maharashtra, and Vizag means Visakhapatnam in our Andhra Pradesh, and Kohima, it is located in Nagaland. Which is the capital of Nagaland? Kohima. And here they give their sunrise timings and sunset timings also. See here, the Hyderabad sunrise timing 6 hours 49 minutes and sunset timing 5 hours 48 minutes. And Agra, in Agra sunrise timing 7 hours 9 minutes and sunset time 5 hours 42 minutes. And Madurai, sunrise time 6 hours 37 minutes and sunset timing 6 hours 12 minutes. And Nagpur, sunrise timing 6 hours 53 minutes and 5 hours sunset timing 5 hours 48 minutes. And Visakhapatnam sunrise first in these cities? See here. What is the answer? Kohima. It is located in Nagaland. So Kohima, in Kohima the sunrise timing 6 hours 2 minutes. This is the answer. Here we can find the sunrise first. And second question, in which of these cities does the sunset last? Where we can find the sunset last here? See, sunset here. Where? In Madurai. In Madurai the sunset timing 6 hours 12 minutes. So that is the answer. Madurai 6 hours 12 minutes. Next, why the north of India remains cooler than the south in winter? ఏమడిగాడమ్మా ఇక్కడ? ఎందుకని ఉత్తర భారతదేశం దక్షిణ భారతదేశం కంటే కూడా చల్లగా ఎందుకు ఉంటుంది అని అడిగాడు. సో వాట్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్, why the north India is cooler than the south India? What is the reason? Because the India is located in northern hemisphere. What is this? This is equator. Equator divides the earth into two equal parts. Above the equator part we called northern hemisphere and below the part we called southern hemisphere. Where is northern hemisphere located? Between north pole to equator, and southern hemisphere located between equator to south pole. So our India is located in northern hemisphere, and the two, it is located very near to the equator. See here, this is equator. It is located very near to the equator. Here the equator always receives the direct rays of the sun. So the south side of India is hotter than the north India, and the two, in north side we have Himalayas. So here we have two types of reasons. First one, north side we have Himalayas, and the northern India is very far up to the equator. This is the reason. Okay, next question. How long is the daytime in each of the 6 cities? ఇక్కడున్న ఈ 6 cities లో డే టైం ని కనిపెట్టమన్నాడు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద డే టైం? ద డే టైం ఈస్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అవర్స్ బిట్వీన్ సన్ రైజ్ అండ్ సన్సెట్. అంటే సన్ రైజ్ కి సన్సెట్ కి మిడిల్ లో ఉన్న టైం ని మనం ఏమంటాం? డే టైం అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, నౌ we can find the daytime of Hyderabad. For example, see here, the daytime of Hyderabad, sunrise timing 6 hours 49 minutes and sunset timing 5 hours 48 minutes. ఇక్కడ ఈ సన్సెట్ టైం ఉంది కదా, దీనికి మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే 12 hours యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ మనం 12 hours టైం తీసుకోలేదు, 24 hours టైంగా మనం కౌంట్ చేయాలన్నమాట. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇప్పుడు మనం రైల్వే స్టేషన్ కనుక వెళ్తే అక్కడ అనౌన్స్మెంట్లో ఇప్పుడు టైం 17 hours అని లేకపోతే 18 hours అని చెప్తాడు. సో 17 hours అంటే మనం అప్పుడు టైం ఎంత అని చెప్తాం? ఎక్కడి నుంచి కౌంట్ చేస్తాం? 12 దగ్గర నుంచి కౌంట్ చేస్తాం కదా. అంటే 12 after 1 2 3 4 5. సో ఓహో ఇప్పుడు టైము 5 అయింది అనమాట అనుకుంటాం కదా. సేమ్ అలాగే ఇక్కడ కూడా మనం 12 hours యాడ్ చేయాలి. దేనికి? సన్ రైజ్ కాదు, సన్సెట్. సో 12 hours ప్లస్ సన్సెట్ టైమింగ్ 5 hours 58 minutes. సో ఈ 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది? 17 hours 58 minutes వచ్చింది. దీనిలో నుండి మనం సన్ రైజ్ టైమింగ్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. చూడమ్మా, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసాం? మనం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసాం. సో ఆన్సర్ ఎంత వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్? 11 hours 9 minutes. This is the daytime of Hyderabad. And same like that, Agra. Now we will find the daytime of Agra. Agra, the sunrise timing 7 hours 9 minutes and sunset timing 5 hours దీనిలో నుంచి మనం దేన్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి? సన్ రైజ్ చేయాలి. సన్ రైజ్ టైం ఎంత? 7 hours 9 minutes. చూడండి 7 hours 9 minutes. దీనిలో నుండి ఇది సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా ఆన్సర్? 10 hours 33 minutes. This is the daytime of